Are you ready to shave off the years and look 10 years younger? Well, I've got 10 quick and easy tips that will help you looking younger instantly. So let's dive right in. Number one on my list is to wear well-fitting clothes. There are tons of videos on YouTube for women on how to not look frumpy. In fact, I have made my own videos on how to not look frumpy. But the biggest way to avoid the frump and look more youthful is by wearing well-fitting clothes. And nothing says chic more than clothing that fits just right. You don't want anything too tight or too baggy. That's where the frumpy part comes in. If it's skin tight and hitting all the bulges and bumps and highlighting them, or if you're trying to cover it all up by wearing clothes that are just way too oversized, don't fit your body, and then that also looks frumpy. In fact, what you want to do is choose well-fitting clothes that highlight your best features. So whether it's a favorite pair of jeans or a tailored blazer, make sure it fits like a glove. Clothes that are tailored to your body shape not only enhance your figure, but they're going to make you feel more comfortable, which is key to me, and more confident all throughout the day. And this does not mean that you have to have every item in your wardrobe professionally tailored. Instead, what I like to do is I like to look for brands that cater to my figure and my body. And you can find them today. Clothes are available for all body shapes, whether it's plus, tall, petites, there is something available for every body. And I love having a few go-to brands and stores that I know work for my current body, where I can just either go online or go in the store. I don't have to waste a ton of time trying clothes on. Usually those sizes that I know well are most of the time fit really well, and they're going to work for my body. Do you have any brands like that that work for you? I'd love to know. Put those in the comments below. The next one on my list is necklines. Did you know there is one neckline out there that is universally flattering to every body shape? And it's the V neckline. And I'm going to tell you why. Because the V neckline elongates your neck and draws the eye vertically up and down the body. And that creates a much more youthful silhouette. Plus, it's a really great way to show off a little bit of décolleté without going overboard. And if you're new to wearing V-necks, try experimenting with different fabrics and styles within the V-neck category. And you could choose casual tees, elegant blouses, button-down shirts. The trick is to find the depth of the V-neck that complements your figure the most and your comfort level. Like at this age, I have said goodbye to low plunging necklines. I just don't have any interest in wearing them. Don't enjoy them anymore. I've put those away. I like it to end about here and not feel way too open. But again, it's a personal preference and you have to choose what's the right one for you. In addition, if you're wanting that V-neck, and let's say you have on a round neck t-shirt and you want to have a V-neck, grab a V-neck sweater or a button down and put that on. That's going to give you that V-neck line that you're looking for. You could also achieve it with a longer necklace that creates that V silhouette, and that is going to give you that V neckline, even if you're wearing something that is not particularly a V-neck. The next one on my list for you is makeup and skincare products created for our age. And I love finding products that embrace and celebrate our age while providing a youthful glow. And that brings me to today's sponsor, City Beauty. They sent me several products to try, and you are going to love the gems I have to share with you. And these aren't just any makeup and beauty products. They focus on enhancing what you already have and giving that extra boost of confidence we all love. The first one I want to show you is the City Beauty Uplift Firming Serum. This little bottle of magic gives my skin a firm, youthful look. I've been using it for a while now, and I want to tell you, it feels like a little hug for my skin every morning. Not only does it make my skin appear tighter, it nurtures my skin with hydration and a radiant glow. Then there's the line blurring wrinkle filler. If you're looking to reduce the look of wrinkles without having to get Botox, this is one to consider. I apply it and ta-da! Those little lines around my eyes and mouth seem to soften. And I'm not trying to erase who I am, but I'm trying to polish my look and reflect how much younger I actually feel inside. And of course, we can't forget about lips. My lips have gotten thinner as I've aged, as I know happens to many of us. And I avoid those plumping lip glosses because they sting so much. I don't enjoy that feeling. Well, the City Lips plumping lip gloss has been a game changer for me. It gives my lips a full, lush look without any discomfort. Plus, the range of shades means I can find the perfect one to complement my mood or outfit. And finally, for my eyes, you've got to check out this Beyond Mascara Volumizing Treatment. This isn't just mascara, it's a treatment that helps your lashes look fuller while caring for them. I've noticed my lashes appear more voluminous and healthy, and that is a true win in my book. By incorporating these City Beauty products into my routine, I've found a balance between treating my skin and enhancing my natural beauty. Most of all, they make me feel like the best version of myself. If you'd like to try City Beauty, they have these and many more amazing products for mature skin, and they've been kind enough to offer 35% off site-wide from now until May 22nd. Click on the link in the description and use code QUEEN35 to take advantage of this limited time offer. Number 4 on my list is high-waisted pants. You know, high-waisted pants are really a game changer when it comes to enhancing your figure and adding a touch of youthfulness to your wardrobe. And what I like is that they're a great choice for those of us over 50 who've developed a little menopause belly and added some extra pounds. And you know, while low-rise pants seem to be a trend that is coming back, it's not one you need to embrace. If you're looking to create a smooth and more flattering silhouette, high-waisted pants are going to be your best friend at hiding that belly pooch and providing good coverage that flatters without being constricting. In addition, the higher waistline is going to naturally enhance your torso, and that's going to give you the illusion of longer, sleeker legs. And whether you choose straight leg design or a flowing wide leg cut, high-waisted pants are going to transform your look, boost your confidence, and add a touch of youthful elegance. And when you're thinking of what to pair with high-waisted pants, pair them with tops that complement their structure. So a soft flowing blouse or a light sweater tucked in just in the front can maintain an elongated look without adding bulk. And this will allow you to stay comfortable while looking effortlessly chic. Number 5 on my list is getting enough sleep. You know, we often joke about beauty sleep, but it's actually a real thing. Getting a good night's sleep not only makes you feel better, but it helps reduce puffiness, under eye circles, and gives your skin a chance to repair itself. And the goal is to aim for 7 to 8 hours to look refreshed and vibrant. And to do this, it's really important to create a bedtime routine that promotes relaxation, like a warm bath or reading a good book to help you wind down. And keep your bedroom environment conducive to sleep with comfortable bedding, minimal light or noise distractions. Number 6 on my list is adding pops of color to your wardrobe. And this is one of my favorite ways to look more youthful, is a pop of color. Adding a splash of color can make your whole outfit just come alive. And it will give your complexion a very healthy glow. Whether it's a bold pink scarf or a sunny yellow t-shirt, a little bit of color goes a very long way. And you know, this is one area you don't have to shy away from colors that you might not normally wear. Have fun with them. Bring these pops of color in here and there, because a bright accessory or piece of clothing can really elevate your mood and your outfit. And what I like to do, as you can see here, I like to mix these pops of color with neutral basics, because that's going to balance your whole look and it's going to make those colors pop even more. I also want you to consider the psychological impact of color. For example, blues and greens be more calming, while reds and oranges are known to be more energizing. In fact, if you want to know more about choosing the right colors for you, I've done a whole video on it. You can check it out right here. Number 7 on my list has nothing to do with clothes or makeup at all. It's all about thinking young. You may be shocked to hear this, but did you know that your mindset has a huge impact on how you look and feel? If you're always focusing on aches and pains, you might feel yourself moving a bit slower. But if you embrace a youthful mindset, you'll radiate a lot more energy and vitality. So put a little bit more pep in your step and engage in activities that bring you joy and laughter, because these positive emotions are going to reflect in your demeanor and your overall appearance. And it's also really important at our age to surround ourselves with positive influences. And that could be people, but it's also uplifting music, inspiring books, or energetic friends. In fact, I really have pared back on the amount of news that I watch, because I found that I was really getting sucked in and weighed down by all of the negative news that I was seeing. And I just didn't want all that in my life. I wanted to fill my day with positivity. So I still keep up now and again with the news so that I know what's going on, but I don't watch endless news shows that give me negative things all day long. I just don't want that filling up my brain. And in addition to choosing what's coming in to your mind and what you're being presented with, you also want to challenge yourself regularly with new hobbies, new people, new adventures, new learning opportunities, because these things will keep your mind sharp and your spirit young. Number 8 on my list is well-defined eyebrows. And I think eyebrows are something we tend to forget about as we get older, but brows can make a huge difference in framing your face and providing a youthful look. And I know this is a big problem for me, but many of us experience this as well. As we age, our brows get thinner, more sparse, and they may even turn gray. And you can see my eyebrows are so light that it's hard to even notice I have eyebrows at all. So full, well-groomed brows can really frame your face and lift your whole look. And it's important to keep them tidy and filled in to provide a real age-defying effect. Now, I used to regularly visit a professional. I would get my eyes plucked and shaped and dyed. But during lockdown, that all went away. So I started using a tiny razor, tweezers, and brow gel. And guess what? I have not looked back. So whichever one you choose, do what makes you feel more comfortable. And like I said, I love my eye gel. So I just follow along the shape, the natural arc of my brow, and that always provides the most flattering shape. And I use light, feathery strokes to fill in those sparse areas. And then this little trick I like to use, I take a highlighter and I highlight just below and just above my eyebrow, because this will give a little bit more of a lifting effect and make my eyes appear brighter and more open. Number 9 on my list is monochromatic outfits. There's a reason why so many celebrities are dressed in monochromatic outfits, because the stylists that dress them know that dressing all in one color from head to toe is not just stylish, but it creates an elongated, seamless look that's incredibly flattering and youthful. So whether you're wearing all shades of blue or elegant grays, this trick is always a winner. And if you want to master this look, it's really important to play with different textures and shades within the same color family. For example, I've done this here in naturals. I've paired a bronze and cream checked shirt with wheat pants and a natural textured sweater. I've finished the look with cream sneakers, gold earrings, and a cream bag. And you'll notice that the band, the strap on my bag, is that same color family as the check in my shirt. So I've got lots of textures, a little bit of change in the color, but it remains all in that one color palette. And it just gives that longer, chicer, more sophisticated look. and also provides that youthfulness that we're going for. And what I love about monochromatics is not only is it going to give you that chic look, but it also really simplifies putting outfits together. And it can be a big time saver when you're trying to make sure that your outfit looks all pulled together. Number 10 on my list is stylish flats. Now, you might like to wear high heels, but you don't have to wear high heels to have a youthful look. In fact, flats are a huge trend this year, and I'm so glad about that because they allow you to combine style and comfort. So when you're looking for some flats, look for designs that have a modern twist, like a sleek metallic finish or even a fun print. And find styles that suit your personality, whether it's some cute mules, timeless loafers, pretty ballet flats and Mary Janes, or even a pair of clean white sneakers. And what I love about flats is not only are they easy on your feet, but they can keep your whole outfit looking fresh. But looking youthful does not mean sacrificing comfort. And you want to look for the perfect balance so that you can keep moving comfortably and have some stylish flair. And you can look for flats with supportive insoles and flexible soles for all day comfort. And when you're putting together your outfit, flats go with just about everything. And by incorporating all 10 of these tips into your daily routine, you're not just updating your look, you're embracing a lifestyle that radiates youth and vitality. So go ahead, give these a try and watch the magic happen. Which is your favorite tip to look more youthful? I'd love to know. Put that in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.